In this video, let us see how we can dismantle the drone. First, we will dismantle the propellers. We need to keep our hand at the base and then start to rotate as shown on the propeller. Next, here we are dismantling the black propeller. We have to rotate in the opposite direction to that of the white propeller. Similarly, we remove the other two propellers. We can feel our propellers loosening if we have done it according to the right instruction as on the propeller. Next, we have to remove the antenna. First, we will dismantle this connection and then we rotate so that it loosens. After that, here we have to open this part and then press on these two clicks and then slide down to remove the GoPro. And finally, we remove the battery. For that, we have to keep the drone upside down and then dismantle this connection. And after that, we have to dismantle this strap and then the main two straps of the battery. And now we can dismantle and keep the battery aside. Next, we have to dismantle the antenna from the communication box. All we have to do is rotate it to the opposite direction till we feel that the antenna has loosened. And this is how we dismantle the drone.